There's something about sapphire jewelry that just hits different. Maybe it's that rich royal blue, maybe it's the history, or maybe it's how a sapphire stands out without screaming for attention. A sapphire collection isn't about having more, it's about meaning. Pieces that tell a story, feel personal, and last. Royalty wore it centuries ago, and it still looks modern today. Sapphire never loses its charm. It's timeless. It strikes the perfect balance, luxurious, not loud, bold, not overdone, and strong enough for daily wear. It slides from everyday to once-in-a-lifetime moments. And the meaning? That's the part we love. Sapphires symbolize honesty, loyalty, and inner strength. People say they bring clarity and calm. No wonder they're favorites for engagement rings and anniversaries, commitment that lasts. Rings, elegant, eye-catching, never extra, especially with subtle diamonds. Necklaces, a simple pendant for daily polish, or a statement for evening. Earrings, studs for work, drops for weddings, effortless every time. Bracelets, soft sparkle on the wrist. Beautiful solo or stacked. Sets, polished, intentional, made for formal moments. It's not just blue. Choose the shade that feels like you. Blue, pink, yellow, white, green, each with its own character. Versatile with casual or formal, personal by color. Look for rich color, good clarity, a cut that dances. Natural or lab, both beautiful. Buy what speaks to you from a trusted source. Care, warm water, mild soap, soft brush. Avoid harsh chemicals. Store pieces separately to prevent scratches. For engagements, anniversaries, milestones, it's not just a present, it's a memory. If you want jewelry that feels personal and timeless, sapphire is the one.